Welcome back to the Power of Scissors Woody Blocks Awesome Show Season 3. Last time, you 6 are up for elimination. Now let's get started with the elimination. Alright, now only one of you is gonna be eliminated and only one of you is gonna be safe. So let's get started. So Jack's plush. You win the prize and you're the first person safe. Your prize is a Rocky plush. The next person safe is Spongy SR. Now it's down to flower pot, bread, rubber spatula, and Nintendo Switch. Let's show the folks. Rubber spatula is the last person safe, and flower pot, bread, and Nintendo Switch 2 are both eliminated. No!
Hey, I'm back. Did you miss me?
No Tokubi allowed.
You're supposed to join the show.
No, you're eliminated.
Hey, kiss me already. Okay, I will.
Alright, now let's just see who will it be eliminated and who will it be safe. So you 7 are safe and you 4 are up for elimination. So vote one of these 4 people to be eliminated because this is a double elimination.
Violet Box, you're here? Yes, I am. Thanks.